Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Philippine stocks online. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with a licensed Philippine Stock Exchange member. This involves completing an application form and submitting necessary identification documents, like a valid ID and proof of address. Once approved, you can proceed to fund your account. Many brokers offer convenient options, such as bank transfers or various online payment methods, to get you started quickly. When choosing a broker, research their fees, platform reliability, and customer support. Some brokers have minimum deposit requirements, which can be quite accessible, sometimes as low as 1,000 Philippine pesos. Linking your bank account is crucial for seamless deposits and withdrawals. Ensure the platform is user-friendly and provides the tools you need to make informed investment decisions. A good broker makes the process much smoother. Once your account is funded, log into your brokerage platform. Navigate to the trading section and search for the specific stock symbol you want to buy. You'll then enter your order details, including the order type, such as market or limit, the quantity of shares, and your desired price. Review all the information carefully before confirming your trade. After placing your order, you can monitor its status through your account dashboard. Remember to start with a manageable amount and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Diversifying your portfolio across various sectors is key to managing risk effectively. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Continuously educate yourself about market trends and company performance. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.